minutes it's eating again, and today we will be making a candle using the wax of Babybel cheese. And actually my brother is eating it right now. And so all you have to do is actually take off this wrapper like this. You're not gonna put the wrapper, so I'm just gonna put it here. And I am going to peel off all this red part that you will not be eating. And you are going to be putting the red in here, like this. But first, you need a couple of these. And you need to put a string in the middle so that you can burn it and it'll be a natural candle. Now that we pushed the wax down, we will be putting it on the fire. Like that. And as you can see, the wax is starting to melt a little bit. So, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. See you in my next video. Bye!